Factorize completely 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. So here 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. So if you'll observe these two terms carefully, they are like perfect squares, 3 square and 4 square. So whenever you'll get like this, there will be high chances that we can use identity, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square I can write as a plus b whole square. But we need to check whether we are getting 2ab or not. So for that, what I'll do is, first I'll write the empty one, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here this 9x square I can write as 3x whole square. 16y square I can write as 4y whole square, because 4 square is 16, y square is y square. Now here, and a is, this will act like a and this will be b. So if we'll substitute here 3x and 4y, now I need to check whether I am getting the same number 24 or not. 24, 2 times 3 6, 6 4 24 xy. See, we are getting perfectly. So clearly it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I can write as a plus b whole square. So 3x plus 4y whole square, or you can write as 3x plus 4y into 3x plus 4y. Factorize completely 4s square plus 20st plus 25t square. So here 4s square plus 20st plus 25t square. See, if you'll observe these two terms are like perfect squares. 4s square, 25t square. So 4 is 2 square, 25 is 5 square. So it looks like a square 2ab plus b square. So if a square plus 2ab plus b square, I can write a plus b whole square. So now here I'll change, like first I'll write empty a square, because we need to check whether 2ab will fit as like 20st or not. So b square. So here 2s and here 5t. So this will be like a, this will be b. So here 2s 5t. Now we need to check whether we will get 20 or not. 2 times 2 4, 4 times 5 20. Perfect. 20 st, and here also 20 st. So I can write as a 2s plus 5t whole square, or you can write as 2s plus 5t into 2s plus 5t. Factorize completely 49x square plus 28xy plus 4y square. So here the question is 49x square plus 28xy plus 4y square. So if you'll observe carefully, here it is a square because 7x whole square. This is 2y whole square. So there are high chances that we can use directly identity, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, but we need to check for 2ab. But if it is in this form, like a square plus 2ab plus b square, we can write as a plus b whole square. So we'll check for whether 2ab will fit or not. So first I'll write empty a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here 49 is 7 square, 7x, 4y I'll write as 2y. Now here this will, a is 7x and b is 2y. So 7x and 2y. So clearly see 2 times 7, 14, 14 into 2, 28, 28xy. So it fits perfectly. So I can write directly a plus b whole square, that is 7x plus 2y whole square, or you can write this answer in another form like 7x plus 2y into 7x plus 2y. Factorize completely 64p square plus 32 by 3 p cube plus 4 by 9 q square. So here 64p square plus 32 by 3 p cube plus 4 by 9 q square. So clearly see, if you'll observe this, here we can use directly identities. It is in the form of a square because 8p whole square we can write as 8p whole square, and this is also in the form of perfect square, that is 2 by 3 q whole square. So these both are in the form of a square and b square. So we need to check for 2ab. So directly we can use the identity if it fits. A square plus 2ab plus b square, then we can write directly a plus b whole square. So here 64p, I can first I'll write empty, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a is nothing but 8p, b is nothing but 2 by 3 q. So this is a and this is b. So here I'll write a and b, 8p into 2 by 3 q. Now we'll check whether we'll get 2ab or not. 2ab should fit like 32 by 3 pq. So if we'll multiply numerators, 2 into 8 16, 16 into 2 32, pq by 3, perfect. So clearly it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I can write directly a plus b whole square, 8p plus 2 by 3 q whole square. Or I can write 8p plus 2 by 3 q into 8p plus 2 by 3 q. Here, see, if you observe carefully, you can take 2 common in the numerators in both the terms. So what I'll do, here I'll take 2 common. So I'll get 4p plus 1 by 3 q into, again 2 common, 4p plus 1 by 3 q. So 2 times 2, 4. So 4 into 4p plus 1 by 3 q, and here 4p plus 1 by 3 q. You can write this way. Or in the starting only you can take 4 common. You can do in that method also. If you take starting only, if you take 4 common, this will become 16, this will become 8, and this will become 1. You can do that way also. Or you can do at the end. Factorize completely 3a square plus 4ab plus 4 by 3 b square. So here I need to factorize completely. The question is 3a square plus 4ab plus 4 by 3 b square. So now see here, it looks like a square plus 2ab plus b square. So but here 3 is not a perfect square, but you can write as like root 3 whole square if you want. So here you can write as 2 by root 3 whole square. So 2 square will be 4, root 3 whole square will be 3. But other than that, take LCM here. If you'll take LCM, LCM is 3. So here we don't have 3. So if you multiply 3, 9a square, 4 into 3, 12ab plus 4b square. So now 1 by 3, if you'll take outside this 1 by 3, left with like 9a square, 12ab, 4b square. Now it looks like a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now if I'll write the factorization now by using identities, it looks like a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is nothing but a plus b whole square. So first here, but we need to check for whether 2ab will fit or not now. So here first I'll write empty a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a is 3a, b is 2b. So a and this is b. So 3a, 2b. Now we need to check. 2 times 3 6, 6 times 2 12. It's perfect. So I can write as 1 by 3 into 3a plus 2b whole square. Or I can represent this way also, 3a plus 2b into 3a plus 2b. Factorize completely 9 by 5 s square plus 6 sv plus 5e square. So here the question is 9 by 5 s square 6 sv plus 5v square. See, it looks like a square plus 2ab plus b square, but the thing is here 9 by 5 you need to write as like 3 by root 5 s whole square, and 5v you can write as root 5v whole square. So to avoid this irrational part, you can take directly, you can take LCM. Then you can check for like identity. So but here I'm solving by using identity. So LCM will be here like 5. So it remains as it is 9s square. So here if I'll multiply 5, 6 times 5, 30 sv plus 5 times 5, 25v square. So this denominator part 5, if I'll write as 1 by 5, and the remaining as it is 9s square 30 sv plus 25v square. Now if you'll see carefully, it is a square b square. If it is 2ab, then I can write as a plus b whole square, because a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. So here 1 by 5, first I'll write empty a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here 9s I can write as 3s, 9s square I can write as 3s whole square. 25e square I can write as 5e whole square. Now this 3s will be a, 5e will be b. If I'll substitute here 3s 5e. Now if I'll check 2 times 3 6, 6 times 5 30 sv. So it is perfect, 30 sv. Now I can write as 1 by 5 a plus b whole square, because it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 3s plus 5e whole square, or I can write as 1 by 5 into 3s plus 5e into 3s plus 5e.